1, 2, 3. Got it. You know, Charlie, this would have gone a lot faster if you would have helped me. I guess you'd need hands for that, huh?
Oh, Miss Ellie, I'll help you take care of your tools. Oh, hi. It's time. Hello, friends. Have you met my best friend, Charlie?
Hi, Charlie.
He and I love to solve puzzles together. My name is Miss Ellie, and I'm your Anywhere teacher.
Hello, Miss Ellie.
Our motto is, a school zone is anywhere you want it to be, because learning fun can happen anywhere. Do you like to build things? Because today's school zone is full of tools and building supplies. So, if you have a pretend tool belt that you want to strap on, you should probably take it with you. Well, Charlie, what do you think? You ready to go? Come on, boy. Colors and shapes and numbers and letters. You might already know, couldn't hurt to know better. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Get ready, here we go, go! Hey, up here. Did you guess that we would be coming to this construction site? This is a building that is under construction. And it's today's school zone.
Yay!
You've got to be careful, Charlie. There are lots of tools and other things on a construction site that are hands off. Or in your case, paws off.
Paws off.
You should never go into a construction site or be around tools without an adult. Got it?
Got it.
Got it? Now that we've got that important information out of the way, let's get to our Puzzle It Out question of the day.
What's that?
Okay, Charlie, you've got to be careful. Good boy. Here is our Puzzle It Out question of the day. What is this fun toy that needs to be built? What is this fun toy that needs to be built? I can't tell from just this one piece. Hey, Charlie, we'll need your help to find the next 3 pieces. Bet we're gonna need some friends for this one. Let's go find them together. Come on, boy. Come on.
Roof! Miss Ellie! Roof! I found Violet!
Hi, Violet.
Why, hello, hello, hello. Isn't this a fun school zone?
It is, but you think every school zone's a fun school zone.
Yes, indeedy I do. Because what's more fun than using your brain and figuring out something new?
Having a snack while you do?
Oh, Charlie, always thinking with your stomach.
Charlie, my friend, you're going to love this activity.
Do we get a puzzle piece for thinking along with you?
Why, yes, indeedy. You do. The big question each time is, what does not belong? Are you ready?
Ready.
What does not belong? Hammer, screwdriver, banana.
Banana.
Are you sure? You don't think we want to pound in a nail with a banana?
No, use the hammer.
The banana does not belong. It is a fruit to eat. The hammer and the screwdriver are both tools. What does not belong? Tape measure? Cookie? Level?
Cookie.
The cookie does not belong. You use a tape measure or level for measuring. That's a big cookie. Last one. What does not belong? Wrench? Carrots? bologna sandwich.
The wrench doesn't belong.
That's right. Oh, look, it must be their lunch break. He thinks all of that food does belong in his belly.
Thank you, Violet. That was fun.
Now I'm really hungry. Roof.
We'll go find another friend. That'll help take your mind off of it.
If you want to have more thinking fun, come visit me in the woods. For now, have fun puzzling it out.
Thanks, Violet. Come on, Charlie. Our puzzle it out question of the day was, what is this fun toy that needs to be built?
I found Socrates. Roof.
Hi, Socrates. What's a nocturnal bird like you doing awake during the day?
Construction sites are quite noisy. It makes for difficult sleeping.
Sorry you're awake.
Oh, it's quite all right. There are so many interesting tools to learn about on a construction site.
Oh, please share.
Oh, nothing would make me happier. I find tools so interesting, don't you? There are so many different types and sizes and colors of tools. Our worker friend here is going to use some tools to help us talk about same and different. Remember, tools are only for when there is a grown-up around. Our friend is using a table saw to cut that wood. He's cut 3 pieces of wood. Here they are. 1, 2, 3. Which is the same size as number 1? Number 1 and number 2 are the same size. Here is another kind of saw called a jigsaw. It's good for cutting different shapes. Here are 4 shapes our friend cut out with the jigsaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the same shape as number 1?
3. Triangle.
Right again! We have a circle, a square, and 2 triangles. And now, let's talk about things that are different. This is called a drill. Look at how it digs a hole right through the wood.
That's really cool.
Yes, our friend made 3 holes in the wood. 1, 2, 3. What hole is a different size than number 1?
2.
Number 2, yes.
Big hole is really different.
The big hole is different, right you are. And now, our friends are painting the shapes. Here are some shapes that they painted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What shape is a different color?
Number 3.
Yes, number 3 is a different color. I wonder if they are going to make something out of all these parts.
They made a birdhouse.
Incredible!